A deer is a hoofed grazing or browsing animal that belongs to the family Cervidae. Male deer, and some females, typically have antlers that are shed and regrown annually. Deer are characterized by their slender, long-legged bodies and are found in a variety of habitats including forests, grasslands, and wetlands across most of the world. Notable species include the white-tailed deer, mule deer, red deer, elk, and moose. They are herbivores, primarily feeding on leaves, stems, fruits, and seeds. Deer are ruminant mammals forming the family Cervidae. This family includes species such as white-tailed deer, mule deer, elk, moose, red deer, reindeer, caribou, fallow deer, and cheetal. Deer are found in many regions around the world, including North America, Europe, Asia, and parts of South America. Many deer have a brownish or reddish coat with white underbellies. Some species, like the white-tailed deer, have distinctive white in herds, while others are more solitary. Mating systems can include polygyny, where males mate with multiple females, or monogamy in some. Habitat loss, hunting, and diseases are significant threats to certain deer populations.